Alright, so this will be the last time we see the Audi like this. Getting the hood fixed, fender's gonna be fixed, bumpers, everything's gonna be painted. The guy that's doing it for me is giving me a really good deal, and he's pretty much gonna paint the entire car, because there's just little stuff like this where it's all the way through the paint. There's a bunch of scratches like down here that broke the clear. All of this stuff broke the clear. So basically he's gonna just paint pretty much the whole car, like I said. So he's giving me a really good deal though, so I'm just gonna let him do it. He's gonna get everything taken care of, and in probably a week and a half, 2 weeks, we'll have all the parts back and we'll rebuild the front end. Insurance option. This is 3. Alright, so in this video, we're gonna make 2 different videos together. Alright, so we got the headlight lens. Everything's painted, finished up. Gloss black diffuser. Getting a gloss black emblem, not here yet. Roof is black. I will be putting the wheels on in a week or so. Just gotta wait for those. But headlights are all done. Bumpers on. These pieces didn't fit. They're painted, but they didn't fit, so I have to maybe get new ones or something, I'm not sure. Got the headlights done, they look awesome. RS grille and bumper. Just really coming together nice.